Omworigereria bwa Nsoko TV nemwambia ndengia aseri tukeriga haria 10 asumu gatano na gatatu mwaka w'echile fibere merongo ebere na gatano na rimo nukugena kwane kwa bukiribia na wega no gendera tubya semambia ya bono na nde tukomera na ase embeo semambia ya bono Nsoko TV borusu bo mugusi nukugena wega no gendera tukubwati kuro chise 12 cheke mambi wekera bono gachera gire nyengo kwarigania asomurubirega gwetero bini go chakera bono gweka chinsa isano ne mochi ya bono mubasaso go chukwanira na kumurekera amana ao ayagendera to kwarekana emambia ya bona tosangaso bwamo wetera senchera yo mutanda wekerera sesemo ya YouTube Nsoko TV nambia mawasiliano na erekunya gwetere nsabu naboigo nyuma yo konyora yemambia ya bona gusali agendera temambia bona atogendera tukumurekera ntuchiko so sensemo yichiko sorry asira chiko kwandira ayabwatekaine no kweyarigania bosyo bwe season enya asiligi au ase ensengi memambia ya bona tosangaso bwamo Eriane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakare mambia ya bono nigo togo chakanali agendrete asensemu ya Naivasha abo asege karoka agendrete egati ye kiama kia UDA ne kiama kia ODM ase ensemu go sasa obomo bwa broad based abo aswagendrete gukwanira ayarenge tuko yarigani boswa bachori obonene bwo mwaka ogocha abo asomura iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto agendrete ko raige kare kibo igomra iwe kiama kia ODM Oburu Odinga asomura iwense agendrete kurenkwane ya mambia ya bono aya mase ya mugo ikasensemu ya Naivasha tiango traigo na ralia yo muraiwense agukwanira asege karekyo gya broad based.
We did gather the courage to implement the plan upon which we were elected, and subsequently we joined together as a broad-based family. It was not difficult for John Mbadi here when he went to Treasury. It was not difficult for him to understand and to explain what we were doing. And he has done it better than any other person. I mean, let us give credit where it's due. Honestly, you know, we have had 2 CSs in this administration at the National Treasury, right? You all agree, either by virtue of him being a former member of parliament, either because he understands the nuances of politics and public engagement. CS Mbadi has distinguished himself in a very significant way and explained to the people of Kenya what we are doing. And so has every CS. I must congratulate all of them. Under very difficult circumstances, you know, especially those of us who are not members of parliament, I know it may not be easy, who are not former members of parliament, to navigate the public space. And so, what am I trying to say? Listen, good people. We have done exceptionally well on matters to do with agriculture. And we will get an explanation of what we have achieved. Whether it is fertilizer subsidy, registering farmers, dealing with cartels, improving farmer prices, opening new markets. Lee Kinyanjui is sitting here in our midst. We've had conversations. He's led the way. We've gone to China. We've gone to many places to open new markets. We can proudly speak about our track record on matters agriculture, and farmers and pastoralists will be our witnesses. We have transformed the education space. all the challenges that were there. Challenges with CBC, challenges with funding model, challenges with shortage of teachers, challenges with shortage of learning spaces in classrooms. We can proudly face the nation today and say we have done what was required of us. More learning spaces, more teachers, a proper competence-based structure now, and a new funding model that is saving our universities and making sure that all students are in class. We have done what we have always wanted to do as a nation on universal health coverage. Whether it is the numbers of citizens that are enrolled, the numbers of citizens that are treated, the amounts of money we are paid to hospital facilities. My good friends, governors are here in our midst. They will bear witness that health facilities in very remote places, today they receive money from Social Health Authority and money they have never seen in years. They've never seen that kind of money. And we are improving the whole of that space. We have done whatever we needed to do on our commitment on savings. We did make a commitment that understanding that investments in a nation is dependent on savings. We did rearrange the structure. The nation, Kenya, today, we can proudly say, in the last 3 years, we have raised our savings in the National Social Security Fund from 312 billion shillings, today 680 billion shillings, and by June next year, at our National Social Security Fund, we will have reached the target of 1 trillion Kenya shillings. That is how you build a solid base for a nation. We have done what we needed to do in trying to expand opportunity, whether it is in the economic space, whether it is in making credit affordable, lifting many people who had been blacklisted in credit rating agencies or bureaus. We've lifted 7 million people from CRB. We've made more people access credit. Interest rates have come down. Exchange rates have come down. Our dollar reserves have gone up. Inflation has come down. We can proudly stand before the nation and say we have moved the needle in the right direction. We can speak about many other aspects. Housing that has been a challenge to us, how to create jobs. The largest challenge we have as a nation, how to create jobs. We can speak proudly about the jobs we have created in housing, the jobs we have created in export of what we are calling overseas employment, what we have done on the digital space, and all the other things that we have done together. And that is why we've come here, so that we can first look at, because, listen, friends, we are going to an election. And when we are going to an election, we have come here so that we can go to the people of Kenya and tell them, you gave us a mandate. What have we done with that mandate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is the reason why we are coming back to you to tell you we have discharged our responsibility on the mandate you gave us. But that is not sufficient. We have another plan going into the future. We are requesting for your mandate so that we can continue and do it even better going into the future. We did it when we were not so big a team. We are bidding that our country in our lifetime can become a first world country. I know when we
tugutigana nayo ensemo ya gisiasa ya Linda Mwananchi nigo bairire taro yabo gwike county ya Kakamega bakuragora mo senator gwi county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna asichinkwane chiabo nigabarai ao bamochire serikali ya Kenya kwanza asamangana bwatikaine nobo cheru chisemina yanda mange asibo igo balire ira yogo chego tunena na Edwin Sifuna aseganga yayo kurige kerugo kyoburayi bwense na koreta moncherilyo imeyense
ninyi wote mchukue kura ya kupiga ili turudishe heshima ya jamii yetu katika taifa letu la Kenya. Walikuwa wanatudharau sana, wanasema sisi bora tushibe hatusumbui, au ndio tutasumbua hata kama tumeshiba bwana. Watu lazima watujue, si ndio? Mimi nataka niombe ya kwamba safari ambayo tunaanza hii tuweze kutembea pamoja. Nisifike mahali nikute mmehepa bwana, si ndio? Sisi tuna sababu ya kufurusha huyu mtu anaitwa William Ruto kutoka kwa ofisi. Maanake ameharibu nchi yetu, kazi imemshinda. Saa hii anaita watu kwa seta moja akiwa bribe na pesa. Nikirudi Nairobi nimwambie pia nyinyi watu wa Mumias mmengoja pesa yenu, si ndio? Pia nyinyi mnataka kuitwa huko, si ndio? Na msikuwe mmezubaa kama wale walikuwa huko juzi. Ukichukua 10k unamuitisha mtungi ya gas kama watu wa Mtalau. Unamwambia pia wewe Harambee! Harambee! Watu wetu sisi tunafunga Western. Wamekuwa wanategemea kwamba Western itasaidia Ruto. Ndipo wameshika Mudavadi, wameshika Wetangula, wameshika Waparanya, wameshika Atwoli wakisema kwamba kura ya Ruto iko Western. Harambee! Tumefunga Western, Rigiji amefunga Mulima, Kalonzo amefunga Eastern, Matiang'i amefunga Ukambani, kina Baba Wino na Orengo amefunga Wajaluo huko. Formula ya Ruto ya kuingia kiti itatoka wapi? Ameenda jana. Wakati wa Muluya ugawanywa, ati wewe ni Muhanga, wewe ni Mkabarasi, wewe ni Mnyana, wewe ni Mwisuga, wewe ni Maragoli, wewe ni Munyore, wewe ni Mbukusu. Hiyo maneno yamekwisha. Sisi wote ni Waluya. Jamii moja, kura moja. Harambee! Harambee! Watu wangu wacha tupige mtawe moja ya kimataifa, si ndio? Leo hii nataka tuvunje rekodi. Funga. Ndio hii. Nyinyi mnajua ule mzee ambaye anatoka huku chini mwenye anafukuza huyu Mami Sifuna kwa chama, mnamjua? Anaitwa nani? Oburu. Swali ndio hii sasa. Tukiita hapa saa hii Oburu, tukuchukue nyumba mbili, moja tuweke hapo na ingine tuweke hapo, na tuchukue warembo wawili tuweke kwa hiyo nyumba moja tuweke Sifuna, mwingine tuweke Oburu. Nani anatingiza planeti? Harambee! oye! Sisi leo tumekuja hapa na Mheshimiwa Rais wa awamu ya 6 wa Kenya, anaitwa Edwin Watenya Sifuna. Watu wetu 2022 Ruto alipokuwa anatembea hapa kutafuta kiti, alikuwa anatembea kwa mabodaboda akisema serikali ni ya bodaboda, ati bottom up. Akifika kwa mama mboga anasema mama mboga bottom up. Baada ya miaka 5 hakuna kitu yoyote Ruto amefanyia bodaboda, hakuna kitu yoyote Ruto amefanyia mama mboga. Sasa ameruka, Ruto amebadilika, anasema tunaenda Singapore. Semeni tawe! Semeni tawe!
Take care of Kenya. Take care of Kenya. Raila is watching you. Raila knows you are brave. Raila is watching you. Hii kampuni ya Mumias amechukua akijificha nyuma ya Wahindi. Unaambia Mheshimiwa Sifuna, ukiingia kwa kiti within 30 days rudisha hii industry ya Mumias kwa wananchi wa Mumias. Ya pili, mnajua kwamba mimi na Sifuna tulikuwa ndani ya ile chama ya machungwa ile. Sifuna akiwa katibu mkuu, mimi nikiwa deputy party leader wa ODM. Mumeona sasa Oburu na wenzake, na sisi tunasema tukishafunga Western Region yote, angependa mnisikie Osoti, sisi jamii ya Waluhya hatuwezi fanya Edwin Sifuna akuwe president sisi peke yetu. Ni lazima tutafutie Edwin Sifuna marafiki wa kutoka kule nje. Mimi mnajua vizuri sana, mimi ndio deputy party leader wa chama cha DCP. Mimi ndio deputy wa Rigiji. Mmeona vile Rigiji amefunga ile mlima. Mliona Ukalao? Mimi leo Rigathi Gachagua amenituma na taarifa maalum. Nisele Rigathi Gachagua ana kura karibu milioni 7 kwa mfuko yake. Amenituma niambie jamii ya Mulembe kwamba mwaka wa 2002 ilikuwa uhusiano kati ya kijana wa Malwa na Kibaki ndio tutapata uongozi wa nchi hii. In 2007 unakumbuka Mwai Kibaki alikuwa na Mudi Awori. Rigiji amenituma leo niambie wakazi wa Mumias kwamba yeye Rigathi Gachagua ako tayari kufanya kazi na kuunga Edwin Sifuna awe rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Wangapi wanapongeza Rigiji kwa maswala hayo? Sasa Mheshimiwa Osoti, ukiona mimi nimekaa na huyo Rigiji, mimi sio mjinga. Mimi natafutia bro wangu kura. Sasa maneno ya kusema mzima, mimi niko ndani ya Sifuna za kuliko wewe.
Asense mwende abaraina babwatani be serikali ya Kenya Kwanza bakorogono mu waziri wa manganechi Ches Musalia Mudavadi na abarayibande nigo bagenderere n'enchiri yo gusira serikali ya rituko asebasore county ya Busia asinkwane cyabo nigo bayerero bune serikali ya rituko yekiranire emeroberio aho ya magendero wego ni chigo ikirania mange ayo atanya ko ikiraniwa n'abarayiya banene bense ase myaka ya magiga aseboigo bakolire gose bagokeire okoba wekia makiaudium ase serikali ya broad based.
Sisi tuko kwa serikali. Wale wako nje wanataka kuchukua serikali. Politics of Kenya revolves around Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila Amolo Odinga hajawahi kuwa kwa opposition. Anajua utamu wa serikali. Wakati alipambana na Moi, ilifika wakati akaingia kwa serikali. Wakati alipambana na Kibaki, ilifika wakati akaingia kwa serikali. Wakati alipambana na Uhuru Kenyatta, wakafika wakati akaingia kwa serikali. Wakati amepambana na William Samoei Ruto, Raila amekufa akiwa kwa serikali. Na Raila amewaacha watu wa ODM kwa broad based wakiwa kwa serikali. Awe nani ukiwa kwa serikali, asikuambie utoke kwa serikali.
Niwaambie Wakenya mahali popote walipo, haswa watu wa magharibi, kwamba tumekuwa na marais wanne, na wote ukiangalia maendeleo ambao wamefanya, hakuna rais ambaye amefanya maendeleo magharibi ambaye anashinda His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. Kwa hivyo tuko na kila sababu sisi kama watu wa magharibi kusimama na His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, tumpatie second term aweze kuendelea kutufanyia maendeleo.
Because of CHP sasa wanapata kitu. Because of village elders sasa wanapata kitu. Na wengine, huyu ni rais ambaye ako na vision na mission na direction kwa nchi hii. Tunataka kuombea Ruto because of hii parapara ya Rironi Malava toll carriage. Tunataka kuombea Ruto kwa ajili ya SGR. Na ukihesabu Rais Ruto ako na agenda, opposition hawana agenda hata moja. Ukiwauliza agenda yenyu hata hawajui. Na William Ruto ukimuuliza utaona mambo ya barabara, utaona mambo ya elimu ya watoto. Sasa universities zimetengenezwa elimu sawa sawa. Sisi tunataka kiongozi ambaye anajua Western, na mwenye president ambaye ametambua Western kwetu ni William Samoei Ruto. Kwa hivyo tunamwombea 2 term. Nyinyi ukienda nyumbani, enda uza ujumbe wa William Ruto.
Tuangalie experience ya our leaders. Ule kiongozi wa kwanza kwa jamii ya Mluya kwenda kwa debe ya president alikuwa anaitwa Michael Kijana Wamalwa, akaanguka. Kiongozi ya pili kwenda kwa hiyo kiti alikuwa anaitwa Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi. Si Musalia Mudavadi alisema 2013 president? Ule mwenye amejaribu na ule mwenye ajaribu gani mwenye yuko mbele? Si Musalia ndio yuko mbele? Tusidanganyane. 2032 sisi tuna install huyu Musalia Mudavadi as our presidential candidate kwa chama cha UDA na ODM. Nyinyi tumesupport nyinyi through Raila Amolo Odinga mara 5. Round hii wale Wajaluo shikana na Wajui Waluya, tuweke Musalia kwa kiti.
Sisi tumekuja hapa kwa sababu tunaamini kwamba Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto amefanya kazi ambayo imeonekana. Ukiangalia na viongozi wale wamekuweko, kusema ukweli, in 4 years we can see a transformation katika Kenya yetu. Na ukiangalia hata tukiongea mambo ya broad based, ukiangalia manifesto ile ilikuwa ya Azimio na manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza, kuna mahali hata zinashikana. Kulikuwa na mambo ya affordable housing, tulikuwa na mambo ya barabara, kulikuwa na mambo ya reli. Lakini Mheshimiwa Ruto, the difference is he has implemented zile vitu ambazo zimekuwa pale. Kwa hivyo ile ilibadilika, ni driver na gari, lakini destination was one. Na ndio mimi nikikoordinate upande huu, tunakuja tuna evidence. Hatulazimishi mtu. Ni kusema tu ona huyu na huyu amefanya hajafanya. Ukisikia hiyo injili unaingia na sisi. Hata kwa Biblia leo ni Jumapili. Wakati Nikodema alienda kwa Yesu usiku, akauliza nikitaka kwenda mbinguni nitafanya nini? Aliambiwa nini? Lazima uzaliwe mara ya pili. Hiyo ndio second time nyumrie.
Sisi wote tukiwa pale, wakati wengine walikuwa nasema weka mtego ili Raila asiingie State House, ule mtu wa ukabila, Mheshimiwa Ruto akafungua State House akasema, wacha huyu mgeni akuje, ni ndugu yangu, tufanye kazi pamoja. Na sisi ambao tulikuwa tunasaidiana na Mheshimiwa Ruto, hatukuwa na roho mbaya ya kusema kwa sababu tumepata ushindi hatutaki Raila karibu na sisi. Hatukuwa na roho mbaya ya kusema kwa sababu tumepata ushindi hatutaki ODM karibu na sisi. Hatukusema kwa sababu tulipata ushindi sasa wacha Tuoma akae mbali kwa sababu alikuwa kwa ODM na sisi tumepata ushindi wasikuja karibu na sisi. Hapana. Sisi kwa Kenya Kwanza tulisema tuache uchoyo, tuache mambo ya kubaguza, tulete watu wote tuwe kitu kimoja, na ndio kwa sababu tukatengeneza serikali ya broad based. Mimi sikuwa na tamaa ya kusema because we won Oparanya should not come. Because we won Junet should not come. Because we won, Oburu should not come. Hapana. Tulisema let us pull together. Sasa wakati tuna pull together, wengine wameanza kupanda mbegu ya kusema pull apart. Mimi nikifanya hapa campaign, bila mlikuwa mnasema tuungane. Sasa tumekuja pamoja, we have come together. ODM ndio hiyo. When we have come together, again somebody is telling you, no, that is not what we wanted. Muzidi kuwa divided, my friend. Abaluya wanje. What game is this? Do you want unity or don't you want unity? Ni lazima tuulizane, what do we want? Kwa hivyo mimi nataka niwaombe tuungane kabisa so that we can get victory as we move forward. Haiwezi kuwa when we are near getting together again we divide ourselves. Hiyo haitakuwa mzuri kwetu.
Asanse mwende mokonyi wa muraiwense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigaruru kubori guchia saba Kenya kobamo ilikuwa gacha ense asenkwana ekurase county ya Meru nigase mirimono abakuru rogongorwa Mount Kenya guteyatana na korende kobamo na gukwana ase elio gerimu.
Mimi nataka niombe kwa unyenyekevu, tuwe ni watu wa kuvumiliana, na hata kama tuko na tofauti kidogo ya hapa nyumbani, tusitumie hiyo nafasi kuvuruga amani ya jamii na amani ya taifa. Kwa sababu siasa ni mashindano ya uongozi na ni ya muda, na ikipita sisi tutabaki tukiwa jamii moja, tutabaki tukiwa taifa moja. Usitumike kuvuruga amani ya jamii, utusi mwenzako, upige ndugu yako ama mzazi wako, uharibu mali ya jirani yako, kwa sababu mambo ya mashindano ya siasa itapita. Wale watapita watakuwa viongozi wetu, wale hawatafaulu pia hao ni viongozi, watangojea siku ingine Mungu atawajalia. Hakuna haja kutupania maneno machafu, kutupa mawe, kuchoma biashara zetu. Sisi zote ni ndugu, tukae kwa umoja. Kama ni mashindano tushindane kulingana na kazi ya kiongozi. Mimi nitoe rekodi yangu, mwenzangu naye atoe rekodi yake ili alifanikisha. Mwenye anashinda anakuwa kiongozi wetu, mwenye hata shinda angoje, hata yeye ni kiongozi, kesho Mungu atamjalia. Na mimi nataka nikimalizia niseme ya kwamba mimi naomba kwa unyenyekevu, hii jamii ya sehemu hii ya Kenya ambao tunaitwa watu ya Mount Kenya, mimi nawasihi tuendelee kukaa pamoja tukiwa kitu kimoja, na wakati kuna tofauti kidogo ya kisiasa tuongee hizo tofauti bila kuhujumu umoja. And I am here to confirm that we will defend the unity of our nation with all our strength, with all our might, with all our resources, with all our intellect. We cannot allow the unity of our country to be undermined. We can also not allow the unity of our community, the unity of our region to be undermined. We will pay whatever price we need to pay to make sure that the community and the nation remains united.
Ndio hii nchi ibarikiwe, lazima kanisa na serikali watembee hatua kwa hatua. Sababu hii hospitali huhudumia wale wananchi wako hapa, ama ni wananchi tofauti. Na hawa si ndio wananchi wa Kenya? Na serikali pia inahudumia nani? Si ni hawa wananchi? Mmefurahi kwamba hii hospitali imejengeka.
Na hii nafasi inatupa pia mwelekeo, na serikali yetu imeonyesha kwamba kuna mwelekeo wa RUWASA kuko mbele. Kama katibu wa ujenzi, mmesikia 27 billion imeegeshwa hapa Murang'a. Sisi kama katika idara yetu tunahakikisha kwamba hiyo kazi inafanyika kwa jinsi ambavyo inafanyika. Kama ni manyumba inajengwa kwa namna vile inajengwa. Na waziri kupitia waziri wetu ametuma maafisa wataalamu kwa kaunti zote 47 hapa Murang'a ikiwa kati yao, kwamba kuna engineers, architects na ofisi iko Murang'a, iko Nyeri, kila mahali. Na ya mwisho tushike serikali yetu, tutembee na serikali yetu, tutembee jinsi ambavyo 2022 mlishika, tutembee 2027, na hiyo RUWASA ya baada ya 2030 tushike pamoja ndio tuende huko mbele.
Mgoje 2027. Wale ambao watakuja wote muangalie. Na nini wenyewe msiamue kwa sababu ya chama. Muamue kwa sababu ya ile kazi huyo mtu atakuja kukufanyia.
Sisi kama wale ambao tuko katika nafasi ya uongozi wa serikali, tunataka tuhakikishe kwamba tumetumia nafasi ambayo tuko nayo. Tunataka tuchukue nafasi ambayo tuko nayo serikalini kuboresha maisha ya wananchi, kusukuma maendeleo. Barabara ikijengwa inaleta manufaa kwa wananchi. Soko ikijengwa ni manufaa kwa wananchi. Stima ikiwekwa mahali haijafika ni manufaa kwa wananchi. Hiyo ndio kazi ya serikali. Hakuna kazi nyingine ya serikali. Na ndio tumeamua ya kwamba sisi zote tutashirikiana, tutetee serikali, watuletee maendeleo. Mambo ya uchaguzi ikifika tutapiga kura ingine kulingana na rekodi ambaye kila kiongozi atatupatia. Rais Ruto atoe rekodi yake. Wale wanashindana na yeye nao watuambie siku ile walikuwa kwa viti vile walitufanyia, na rekodi ndio itaamua.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi. Magega ya televishoni Nsoko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lya bene liyokuralia asegete senieke aseriguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakresi gwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662. Obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maru na mariogo yogotindia musariri wona yaikire kiwango guikarwarigo panya oroyo nde urenge kwende kanisa utigire onge akonywa mariogo yogotindi na maru abasari erio twabaretaga betami twabarwari erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bwe
Christmas number 0706380913 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora chingatale icyobutindo. Chuo Kikuu cha Tangaza tumebobea katika kozi zifuatazo: PhD in Education, Masters in Theology, Bachelors of Arts and Communication, Diploma in Law, Certificate in Counseling Psychology. Tunafundisha TVET courses kama vile ICT, Diploma in Teacher Education. Tunafundisha lugha ya Kifaransa na Kijerumani. Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi katika anwani inquiries@tangaza.ac.ke au tupige simu kwa nambari 0722204724 au 0711713910. Unaweza kututembelea katika chuo chetu mji wa Karen, jiji kuu la Nairobi, Lang'ata Road. Tangaza University, kuelimisha akili, kugeuza mioyo na kubadili maisha. Obulimira bw'essiro y'obunda bwense kulende talinchira ndio sira krobulimi obiyoke enyore libaga lya bene kwaegwa megelyo chisemi nobosemya iguru y'obulimi bwekerero n'ekikolinga
ase obulimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe buneye ngiya
gaya konyana eyinsimegete ndera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamaraba konya kuyira nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe tosemogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
Kristo kuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere cyamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemya mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa pathway machine
asomoro bere boberemi nobotugi ime yensoko TV oboroso bwumugusi
mwancho muligereri Nensoko TV egeta sena mbeyemo aseliro baliagusi aiga no mugusi yakwa iguribaga na konyara kwabaga gotegereru ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki mwancho muligereri Nensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyare kwa batoko genda ase bali chinse mo chire isiko yagusi sichinse mabuna ichana kuru mwancho muligereri elitonyara kwa batoko wa omugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyara kwa koigwewa na nemo nontonyara kwa batoko so asichinse mu Childoret no mugusi ora asichinse mu Childoret nera nyara kwa koigwewa mwancho muligereri ntonyara kwa batoko genda asibali barasa masamba kuna chinse mu Chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale enuletie tonyara kwa batoko ireke gusi oro no mugusi anyara kwa koigwewa asenchera enkeranu chinse mu Mombasa ntonyara kwa batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyara kwa gakoigwa asenchera enkeranu aiga omwancho muligereria segeta seni ya Soko TV no botochi kwa batoko kora eke korugeito tonyara kwa batoko kora asenchera bwenerete mwancho muligereri aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino mwancho muligereri tonyara kwa batoko korareria okorari kwa nyagosira asenchera bwenerete Soko TV oboroso bw'umugusi
magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko gwikasero yao kwa nyori ribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuraria bukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabo konyori bagari ya bene liyokuraria asegete senieke asoriguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788 666662 Mrna nabali bechinguru elikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nyechense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya. Ubugima n'urugendo rw'atamange amaya n'amabe umusakito Lynette Nyambane niga ngaririye imena isiko yagusi na gusanga nabayaeteire nabakuyaetera
nchekera na ibole twe unango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera chiko ikemia kasta ngachaka ngondifera po ngoira samagoro wani kamanya gutokanga na twali roba ona wachagete
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsaibiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko wikasero yao kwa nyori ribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tukuralia wokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabo konyori bagali ya bene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoriguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788 666662
Mugusi omwancho murigereri niga ruete asensemo ya Busongo orogongo rwa Afrika agatara agasoa asense ya Kenya agasoa ase county berechi yagusi Kisii na Nyamira na nene monese bitunu biri twanchete kurendo mugusi tachete gotegera rororo obero gotara asense nkima na rero tugotore asensemo ya pipeline omwancho murigereri aso mugusi anyare ko bagasoa na gochaka kwerigeria asenchera ya bene kurwaiga pipeline omochi o Nairobi ntobeto koletra emegano ende yonsi iri okorekana etana ino mugusi na nene monense yonsi ya Kenya eye ne Nsoko TV eri etaliane ni Innocent Onyango
eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
Morigere bwa Nsoko TV karibu na inde chidakika ni sana ne muchoka chia tigere chirage chinsa isano chia bono mambia karatu aswera sensemo yende ya kabere ase tugukwanira ya bwatikene ne chigosori aseri tukeriga ye Jumatatu na kiribya karatu gochaka eryo ngarigani abatu chigosangama na barabwe mambia ya bono kurwabwe ya masayemo ntoswe asali turacho kwanira ase obwagara karibu sana
Ishmael Sante asugutwariganya ase studio aseri tukoria rero namono kurigeria igoro yechigosori tiyangariganya omanchwa omorigeria bwa Nsoko television nanda asomorobero gwetero namono guna bonto kuchikorigeria ase ensemaire yechigosori tewa kabisa ngari tukoye Jumapili yire chitariki 17 muntu gwatekemina negetinde kia FA Community Shield asa namono turachikorigeria nande no nyama gigayo kworo kinga nabo tokunyarka tokubabua bakuimukie league tokubaka sechi ego solutions che go kwana bune Manchester United fan but a Manchester City that is united anchenkoro kwa Morin Siango ikaraza bobu animo tunyarka tokwanda chigosori ase gochakera immense ya Kenya kurwa sechi ngongo chionsi ande togende ase mpaka chisa mochiri cha mache ngumbu
inereli bakora teba na violence launched Frank sema yao
omwancho murigereri gwegeta seni yensoko ngukwarigania sema mbia bono nilituchikubwatera nase asichigosori buno yo mintaikire goteba urende a point ntaite kumurusi ono anye tutarachi gochaka niringa ase omupira ntubwatige ntukuruka buna United opposition. It's either you die with your team. There is nothing like combining to fight against other team. Yeah, it's you fight with your team to the end.
Violence ya chakira mapemo maite. There is that thing toko tebanga United opposition neroro. It's you playing against the world. You go, it's allowed in everywhere. Every politics, even football, we are allowed.
Nenga kinere we kabantu bachamo baganga up against.
If it is all about coming up together, then non te binda ndiriasa no ya bete formed ya bete ya chiete kaba formed against nichi team jinde go fight the other teams. Non te binga okay, that is a small team mentality. Gerokonyoranga they say if you can't beat them, you just join them. Bono kero ya beira kongunga bono asena ya beira ka giziki. Now what will we do?
I guess international violence you te wasa kwa controversy tigankorega ingoteba iga kero gotenga if you don't beat them join them ntubuna Manchester United tulipiga Arsenal, Man City walipiga Arsenal, why would we join together and support PSG asechi finally chia
actually kitogonya gukwanira ekyo ekemina nonkere kiabere mina nesiginyinere yabera se imeinse to ya Kenya egati yabatioterebe team ya Arsenal na Manchester United pakeri komonde na of course useful idiot bagachamo bagatebana bono tigatokore sabali yeye gatokore kemina ne Kenyati gaboli gagetigoro mu baso igoro bakarosiri tangani ekemina no ansemo ya nyayo bali ansemo ya Manchester United bakamukegero na inse nabo basurete Arsenal bagatebana yaya okorra n'ubwanchereria mangana narari ngabera atatu igaboli Arsenal esabu yasaregete tigatoire na nde bairorere teigoro the same thing na ndege kairorera naki na bolenda abamani we mugetegero na inze na nde bagasusura team ya Arsenal
igo it shows not
we karanse runkolikoli.
Yeah. There's no change. No retreat.
No surrender.
Na boigo. If you can't win against your as a fans, bali mogo bicha na barabu ase mouthing. Onye toko bwa bantabu ase mouthing. Na ande bagwa kageti as a Premier League. Na gaiga Kenya bagwa. Na ande home and away. Igo bona far away bakire. Which means Arsenal mbabwate chance yeliyo gotuliake. Warudi chini kidogo. Ba build their house barole watulize mdomo onya mwaro chonye useful video tonya kako lose 1-on-1 1v1 niga ako sinyugo mpaka keeper alikuwa amenyonga ameenda kwa post omoire space mother ili score juu lakini there is no way last match first leg mbanyo ate penalty yari gocha kwa wakonya maybe by equalize to and penalty che decide ngoko win wali lose hiyo penalty na ilikuwa last minute tege mekaira 3-2 igo I think tinta violence you again remono because we are not here for violence.
Violence lazima ikue because umweka kulikwanera actually wono goiko kumwarire ata nandi tiga bono tulikoreki tulibeke mesa tulikwanire concerning keromwa kwanire game ya Arsenal fans and Manchester United fans. Actually I was there and I witnessed all the events buna yabete the scenes that happened in that game. I can be able to tell without any fear officiating was very poor. Okay, Arsenal yabungete chikori bere chikaba cancelled. Under which circumstance they can't be able to provide evidence chikori echi etwa cancelled because of this and that. And then ekerokuligirie game actually yare teta ka 86 game hata ikuisha na 90 game kianya ko yare tara ika 90 plus other extra added minutes
paka penalty rende chiarengo na chirichi
It's penalty nchialengo of which penalty inanga mshindi, anybody can score hata akuwe no. You saw in World Cup Messi bago tukuta chi penalty, so penalty si guaranteeing
Franco cut short tukatoka step by step. You are a sports journalist. Nkware ngegetigoro, did the first half go to 45 minutes so that oganye ike 90 minutes? First half ilisha na 42. Edaika ya 42. I was there also.
That is where now we are raising that is where we are raising concerns. Why game wetali kuchia 45 minutes?
There's a reason why, because they are not players. Kera likombari go train. They are not players. It's all about fans. Kera bako watu ya tokerio ko limit time. They are not supposed to have 45 minutes because Italy league.
Then if that is what you are basing on, then Italy game to one to discuss it, because the guys who are playing there are not football professionals. And for your information,
it was allowed.
You had the information in abantu baringe ko participate as game wejo actually ni comedians and other content creators. So there are some guys balizika bamaite kwa ko mupiro muya, but they were not given
penalty.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Igoro kutukuta penalty.
No, oko tukute penalty. It is normal. Mwara rando paka Mbappe wanatupa penalty. So kutupa penalty kwa nini kwa player, it is a normal thing. Penalty is either you score or you lose it.
But it's that also your thing as Arsenal.
So iko hivyo.
It's also your thing. You losing penalties is your thing.
Kero tukutira sense me yo arena maybe fans and all that, ntwa bwate twara club friendlies, and of course traswanto twagane tuchakira sense meria Wafcon, lakini twachakira sense mu yegurumbia togenda tokorana. Of course twara club friendlies. Dortmund kura sense mu yago Frank iye mugetegero na inse egasusura timu ya Arsenal ni sato ase ibere okungo chaka kyoko.
I think it has been a norm. Arsenal has been winning this Emirates Cup. So for the first time, and there is something that once Arsenal win Emirates Cup, that is the only cup which I win, and actually I can prove it to be right. Okay, Arsenal win Emirates Cup.
So we no one.
Okay, no one.
Tanganingwata bana ki kutukutoma ete penalty.
Ni normal, yeah.
Nandi kwenda whatever na sema ya Dortmund and all that. Igo ni normal kupigwa, yani wakwa, it is just a normal
thing. Game, what are you expecting in a game, in a match? It's either you win ama you lose. Sindio. Now that the opponent side has win, so we have to appreciate ngaki. They won. Na nibona nto kunyara go defending go sikukana ngamba bueti. Of course walishinda. But hiyo ni friendlies. Na friendly, okay, it's one of the friendly preparations.
But it's a cup, Emirates Cup.
No,
it's a cup.
It's a cup.
Yeah.
It's a cup that Arsenal used. Yani ya bere buna ne naro ya boko irege kombe ki all through. So for them kukibwato kakera agenda maybe to the other side for the first time.
I think that shouldn't be the excuse, because number one, Borussia Dortmund, they played the game, they owned the game. Apart from Gotabanga, Nkiabwana takika ndase Borussia, why wouldn't they beat Real Betis? Awako sa tena para bakabaka 3-1. Real Betis hawakuwa na player ambaye anaitwa Isco Taring. Isco angekuwa zingefika 5. Igwando ntare ngororo. Imagine about the squad yago sora tine timu yasa na kero kuri timu yasa no had the old squad.
No, nothing like old squad. Nothing like old squad.
Oh damn.
No, nothing like old squad. If you can just begin at looking at the players the first 11 team that are Royal Chest. Number one, look at the goalkeeper like Kepa. Kepa huwezi compare game ya Kepa na Raya. Unaona? So hizo ni preparations too za nininga ki we are preparing for the season to begin. Ababa goso mbaro balyumanyite as a coach, these are my best players. And then ababona as the abambegete buna abagonkonya badai na barabu ikoba a chance pakoleki na barabu be orokinga ki.
Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something?
Yeah, you can just say
Kepa kero como compare na Raya. Do you know Raya without Saliba and Magalhaes is nothing? Is Onana.
No.
Do you know that Spain, but I think Spain Raya is the goalkeeper number 1. Did you see him in even a single minute?
Okay, he didn't play. Why? And I can be able to defend
because
that point.
That shield.
Nothing like shield. Nothing shield akoegwa. the fact is Spain has the best has the best team. Number one, has best goalkeepers. Usikuligiri goalkeeper, and even from the coaches to what around say very best. Actually, it's from Spain.
But you had Mugatebanga Raya is number one, is the best goalkeeper.
No, Raya, of course, your point was without Saliba and Magalhaes, Raya is nothing. Siezi nikakubali. Because there are some games he played without those guys. Na aka defend vizuri.
Let me tell you one thing. Ishmael, let me say one thing about Raya. Kerago teba excusing Raya taringa say a goal post. When you talk about relying on one goalkeeper, having the whole squad apart from the goalkeeper, and then Otake got an excuse, it's a lame excuse. Let's see. Keroko Rigereri, as a team, there's that ikentokero tokoro kanga rhyming of players. Keroko Rigereri, Gabriel Magalhaes, Kera arengia say team yae. Alikuwa na struggle, hakuwa na vibe na Marquinhos. That made him koigwa na Nkoyo. Okapo onalire Kerare na Saliba. It's the same way Kerongo teanga Kerondo che ase Manchester United Kerondo che Maguire mega gari na Egweven. Kuna ile confident kwa bororo. Iko Keroko kwanera igoro about ya a goalkeeper, look at the defenders. Keroko Saliba Kerare ngoche sele team ya France wakati alipata injury akatoka, France was struggling. Kwa rodi. Which means ebondi eri ya Saliba na Magalhaes have something. Keroba buate, you need not to have any doubt. You go, let's not have lame excuses. Squad yonsi yare ngororo, apart from Raya and Kepa is a goalkeeper. They signed him and he should play for the team. Yes, Keroba say no monto, you have that. Yeah.
Asense moyende ekero tuko kwa ndiro ya club friendlies timu ya Manchester City mbago soretiamo na Atletico Madrid abo Man City banyara tuwe wichigoli isato mo Chelsea mbago soreti kolende barabona Joho nigo twaro kwana na Franco nyitutara chake pindi ginko motebina ngakinda malieta ya bagosoli and all that ngo charaba makongo wake alafu Arsenal na Dortmund of course twakwanire ya soketa 3-2 Liverpool nero yanyora tegetiire tambe sana because Monaco yo yanyagite chigoli isato ibere Parma egakwa na Sampdoria chigoli ibere yemo of course ne china chabo Lazio na ba Marseille Atletico Club and all that Liverpool yanyora tegetiro sana aiga la of course Man City asensemo yabo barumbanyo rete obwene tukunyara tugana ya Manchester United of course gurana tororo yabo niyo yagenda Marseille mo lakini tiango traswase elia igoro kwanza.
Kerto kwa nara chief friendly se chichenya tukoba chiko kosori gugoro. When you look at the result, most from the EPL teams, chire choko boy sana. Because Keroko rigereri etimbu na Liverpool, this is the second friendly I think they are losing. They are leading 2-0 and then all of a sudden they lose. Keroko rigereri kosori yabo kerobare kosori ne team ya renge team ya Leeds. Niko bare renge 2-0. Wakamego ikuru 4-2. How now? How will they explain ngamba lose 4-2 which is Leeds na walikuwa na lead 2-0 half time. Keroko rigeria seke minano ekiki abo boigo kia Monaco, it's the same thing. Eba reko lead 2-0 ekameko era 3-2. Iko which means there is a way no nye tubwate vibe eringa season ngo chakere we are on the pre-season. We need to put more energy. Nto tenga tini friendlies nini. No. We need to play like we are not going to play these friendlies again. Pero korigeri I like it I like the way Manchester United bago play chi friendlies jabo because at most wamekuwa wakikuwa na friendlies ni chi team chiribago chiko chesa UCL na barabu. Wanaonesha vizuri. Naro chapa ntabawa complaining ati tumewashika draw na kukuwa na kina Varaskele. Varaskele alikuwa kwa
na
game.
PSG.
Varaskele taringa se game. Tulipiga hiyo ni kama kuwapiga. Kwanza tulipiga Borussia Dortmund. Ilikuwa Atletico Madrid. Tulipiga Atletico Madrid. tulipiga Atletico Madrid. Kerotoko chesa na PSG toka draw. Atukwa na main players game tukianza. Na tu nile kana players bari bache tukore tubagacha gukora ki o defend. Ikabona Keroko rigeri ase chi game wechiga. Keroko cha kurigeri city wechiga cha EPL they are very struggling. Kwa rorire. Iko Keroko rigeri chi result chiga they are not worth it. Because we are preparing ourselves. Keroko rigeri both of the big 5 teams Kerongo igwanire team ya Liverpool igwanire team ya Manchester City, Manchester United, Chelsea and Arsenal. Keroko rigeri chi team wechiga isano team to yetala lose as a friendlies lakini it's only Manchester United what is avande what even you got this there's something about Kolan. We are not saying that it's friendlies and we have as a Kerokori chikoche chika as a team chika big 5 we can say that we are proud for this time Kerokori kwanza the 20 teams chiko participate as a 2026-2027 Premier League. We have brave coaches. Iko Kerokori gereri kerota kwa tanga bine team ya Liverpool eko rusi nande babwate Iraola. It's very hard because to expect a lot from him. Iko we need to see the results. Kerokori gereri na team ya Chelsea babwate Alonso ngibweta bakonyangate Alonso ball and then they are losing. How now? Let's be serious with the friendlies.
Frank andara kwa ni ya club friendlies asinge chigwa kolira se team ya Chelsea ekero tokulire club friendlies ase chigo sori kiribago so ile kero kolira cyari gistariki ya 25 of course July mutinyo yo erete Chelsea mbago sori tina Western Sydney bakanyaka chigolisano nemo asenye Chelsea mbago sori tina Tottenham Hotspur of course bakanyaka 2-1 Chelsea mbago sori na Juventus bagaka Chelsea mo bosa Chelsea mbago sori tina AC Milan bagaka AC Milan isato bosa and of course neye yarenge yeritkuligoro yakchete isato. Yes Frank asema yago.
I think ekinda kwanere concerning the results that tu abire tokora kurwa se chigemu cha Chelsea. It's not really a good result that tora tavenga egot working they are ready even for this season. Asingenjo now that we have a new coach we expect a new coach na tactics chigo cha kokonya usikoroki okay kero kuanyolire that opportunity yoko lead from the previous results that this club used to have na ekerugocha ngota kuri korete bichere ngao ne bichegocha tiche bichembe goetani eliare nkororo and now that tuanyolire coaching ngao bono lakini okonyorange coach however they are winning but they struggle to get that win. You can look at game buna ibabwete 6-4 ekero koraga timu buna kariga koreta Chelsea mpaka koyebunga chita na remember nga up to around 70s that is when ekero Chelsea bono yacha kokora subs that is when ekero yacha koreta bagosoli buna babo Jao Pedro na libachite koimukie game igonga iye point yeli na kwanera from the previous ingaki abagosori abaria kwabeka geti na barabunguka ngota kuri koraba gechoro ngaki are they able to deliver abagosori kero konyoranga tuareme iruga kuna bono deri kere coach ya Chelsea ate kuri alisinga no this team we are diminishing it but it is a serious thing. That is when okuira na bone esitogwachi kwaletaki chibunduki chao chacha chia kolegasi of which kila coach akuna wale players wenye anajua aba nabumbua the best players inga mba the first priority nga this is my first 11 ekeramanye tebaligiti kuika abwa I expected inga lazima abu game igobono Chelsea kerogo tema kuligiri chigemu egemu yabo ndio babere bakobwa lakini nkobungu bali nandi chigoli chinyinge iyigo korokinga bado defense yabo tiringia igo nando isikuligirira sai chitimu chinyinge Premier League nchie bangete sana isikuligirira nga chitimbu na Manchester Arsenal no Man City the way the kind of players babwate na the forward ina biguchi kokorokinga itaenda kusumbua sana chitimu buna chao je itaenda kusumbuka sana kufungwa itakuwa ni lazima yebono na it's not ama ito kufungu na bukufungwa the other season ngwa roche buna Arsenal ya bwate tactic gete ya linge yobokora bago kufunga basi kamaega so if we are able to score you but bona eto tukusiekere to nyara go tufunga turuchi kuchikobega asiengo ikobono Chelsea enkorenga nga anene mono no nyitali Chelsea yo kaligiri no ene game bune ya Liverpool okonyora bako lead game 2-0 game ya era 4-2 babuire usiya era paka 3-4 3-2 bono ingo korokirenga nonye bakufunga but defense yabo teringia and I think that is what Mikel Arteta achite akansa ku build akira Arteta achita sana no itege ntacha agite ku build net defense akaru defense akacha mid I think now is working na forward iko bono ekero konyoranga defense ya hoteli solid my friend hapo kufungika ni sana
asanse mwende muri nekera tokoregoro ya club friendly si chiga Asi club Chonsi nkerekeria na bagosori bali bagorukuna Young Stars abaiga bakonya gukina of course chitimu nchiri kyatemire kwenana libaga gochia ase abagosori bali abakena barabukogosoria so that gotema chinguru cyabo ne ikindi nchirorekera ukoliye barabu bado mbara esokia gose mbara na libaga gochia ase Young Stars yabaiga bado barabuni go bagwepima chinguru nege kosi kelikia oboronge bamaetena ege kosi ekeiga ekenekio ege kosi tutete ositogocha gochaka na kerekio nabo gotogocha gosona na kerekio ase season enya igorengani yega yokwana na libaga gosigotana na libaga ase Young Stars and of course ngwate abana timu nere tuachiesete tuabwate our main team players and all that lakini niko tuabwate abaiga abakenkie kworoke.
Number one datebenga those players kero toko ba sign ose kero toko ba nacha kurwa sechi academy we have plans for them. Kero korigere omogosori naro tuagurite ne center back akoruku Aiden Heaven tuagote kurwa se team ya Arsenal. Kero korigere omogosori oyu he is a good defender. Na kero komo way nebo nyare ko baga konyora chi match chiria chiesira se Premier League. I can mention them I think tichira baisa to gosenya. Of course, the time go show up. You go. I think ndanyare ko bang mention among the big five akoba keroto kwande PL we mostly look among the big five teams. Among the big five teams and anemone team go china retanche ti go investors young players ne team ya Arsenal. Akoba keroko rigereri
na chikoiraniria.
Keroko rigereri mbari go takabatete abatete abantu babwate akorengana teta atete abantu babwate that experience. Usibari at least ba koreki ba baira se industry imono. Abo batanyare ko mukonya ne mono ke otra tebe players ababa ke of course mbabwate Max Doman but keroko yereri it's very rare and it's maybe for the first time okoba keroko yeri no magosori babo Lewis Kelly ko igwete kerombo ga player ga chakire ko shaina ka mwana ga sini ko igunga elon nika mugani naka kaniri kwende elon asigete so it's not fair oenan akamwana kabuna Aiden Heaven if angepata chance kama alikuwa kwa Arsenal angesaidia sana hadi go cha okonya na babu Saliba na Magales very well iko kero kwandra asset team echika ko investors young players it's a big deal because toriko chikunya kutwara kwere the problem yuko takanga ngoenda ndebuna bonega we have many competition we are competing in every competition iko bono kero kurigereri noga netie squad depth kero kurigeri otete squad depth ega tori kwenda ku sign mono ko no maite no bwate players bao buna FA players buna bago chihesa kero to kwenda the likes of Fletcher the Shilasi ba Manchester United so they can participate as a FA kwarori iko investing as young players has a good value at least tori ko gero minyo kechiro toliko tachachiro buna bonega mabantu bakore kubuna Tottenham Hotspur a team ya Liverpool ba tiringire chiro na Manchester City how can you ngakyo ro magosori 130m how now na players
yo barabumba gore tena 75 million
nebi ntobiri bago sa yechiro ndio kuna Manchester United we don't want to do that mess again that is why Moroche tokirete ndo atakatwa na Ali bakateba chibese chiga Spurs bakora ki bakahakana bakaira wakulipa alipe apate player but kerogo chaka compare buna tote buna oyo nde Morgan Rogers oyo Chelsea va sign it alisainiwa na 117 pounds na kerogo rigere kunyo ito tulimsign na 62 kerogo compare the two players you can say Kunya is better than Morgan Rogers say it yes or no compare the two Morgan Rogers and Matheus Kunya
now that
even dribbling, passing.
Ni sawa. Now that Matheus Kunya has proved himself, tikatoe Morgan Rogers because from the club that he used to play before, nto woke compare na standards chia.
No, he is under Unai Emery. Aston Villa. A club ya nyare kwa kwa chana chiti mwechifai.
Tomo a time. Neras season ye mara ara perform in case toko rabono performance ya NMB we can be able to rate him but so far togonte yo mogosori no mubare
no rated kakerare Aston Villa na Manchester United
actually is one mogosori ndete yo nyako kurubesa bune icha yago so far is actually the top
Alexander Isak with Liverpool
how much abeta cost
150
it's okay but rende so far what we have on table is that Morgan Rogers neretu what of late rende currently but rende it's okay according to your point nabo tebanga Matthias Cunha si mbaya as compared na Morgan Rogers. But Morgan Rogers is a good player. He's a good player and expect him. Aise kuchirana na bangwana bali ba Chelsea. They can do better.
Igo in short episode na vya tiringe chiro igo. Episode na vya.
Bakora teba na pesa sio shida. Shida ni kutumia hiyo pesa.
But let me tell you one thing. Arsenal, they have a man that is stingy. Better. Better ta sign player ya 100. Better. No. Ukiona better ukiona better sign player 100. I owe you guys. Better ones.
Ukiongelea Andrea Better ku sign player more than 100, you can just confirm with Declan Rice. Declan Rice irenga gole.
Bona igatoka bona. That's the only deal.
No,
mention another one.
You can't just saying Andrea Better ta kunyara kugoraba gosoria singing so far sai he has proven
that. Mwate banko gora more Vinicius Junior bona iga Pedro Neto mota ite.
Mbona tu abwata ali urengi ku Edu na rolling ku to West Edu maitere kintungiria akagorire agachiro gora abantu 17 5 ebintu byansense
mukamako oni Leandro Trossard 17. How now?
No, Trossard
watu wananunuliwa na 150 130 mnauza 17.
Trossard ukicompare na age yake saa hii atali monto ra deliver saa hii so far ne kikosi kira Arsenal. So that is why they released him agaenda koreki atimoke. Elias Ajida, I think they just gave him a retirement benefiting aki you've won as the league. Now, naboko ganda muinabuti moke because
you are signing to irani you are signing Vinicius Junior one option Pedro Neto.
The signing concerning Vinicius Junior.
Yeah.
I think we had an interest in signing him. But eromo nyene buno mogosoli again tabwate he used Arsenal to do business. Now that aruche contract ya na Real Madrid it's coming to an end. Na akanyoranga na buate still impact ya si timu ya Real Madrid. So for the bosses kwa momento mushahara buna aganeti egera extend contract yaye kuikanera koleki apimenga ki who is in need of me nchiese na psychology ya bantaba. Now that ingani ba mente contract kuikang mbaro kinga nkosokande but the point is Vinicius Junior irani biashara alingi and actually he got bidding the highest bidder will take me. Na ekera rende Madrid baranga this guy is good ntokunyara komutika ikabidi wamuongeze pesa.
And that is why I said better nene rekera arochenga umuntu onomu ekerandri better arochenga umuntu onomu ya ata yange bid high. If you want to gain more we cover investor. Igo kera onye ndiya rengo muntu ori maitenga na atakete UCL na maitenga Vinicius Junior na maitenga inki ba kara Real Madrid bareta UCL.
Okay.
No na ikwara ko Vinicius Junior to kurwa soko win UCL wata 15 no cha series 0.
Okay. Franka ase kera tugokorera igoro yabagosiri abaiga abake and of course yase kubatumeka ase tima are na neti sechinde na nyani meyense no kurigereria impact yabo buyagose obobebogoche bwa base tima ase ngitore chinga kinyinge abagosiri abake buna mori na taba bari barabaya kero korana akuna haja kware gotika tu babwatu ka seloni goso babwatu ke bagende bari gotika ase club na bari chokonya timu lakini kwanyora na chinga kinyinge no nyani meyense karati kana ne chinsechi kwanyora nabakosori mbara bakor ku young stars ni kurchi academy binyoro moiga barabaya lakini kwanyora timu ko invest ko liya bakosori abaiga bana na asengenje kwanyo ko asengenje labda mogosori na roch taga shine ase season ya erete wono kwanyora na club gete timu gete nemo tagete timu gete bidding ya chaka and then kwa makonyora raba kabake na bwabo goche kweguna abande bachira Tanzania abande abali baligerete gochi Zambia and all that bayo ikona na baro banyora libaga yogo shine and all that impact yogo ta investor gose yogo tatumeka abagosori abaiga abakabake.
I think abagosori abake mbabwenerete na baro konyora that opportunity na baro to showcase their talents because nonye na baba nena abatogotanga na babwat experience they at times mbalinga bake but sengencho eliyo kwa opportunity na baro baga expose their talents baga ikase baigete usikuligelia abagosori mbali barure korunse balinga bake baga shine up to kuchigoro lyoka bono oligelia mogosori na Cristiano Messi he has been shining all the way Cristiano Ronaldo he has been shining all the way Origerio mogosori buna oyo minto naika gukwanira gaiga Arsenal teanchitiko invest on young players and of which I'm going against the point. Yes,
mention 5 players more invested.
Oisikuligeria saa hiyo mogosori toise guchaka no mogosori buna Bukayo Saka na academy arwete Bukayo Saka nyaranga tari yagorire besa kocha Arsenal tucho mogosori onden Ethan Nwaneri. However, now I know loan, but still is
on loan.
No,
he's coming back. Why will you take someone
on loan? Ekeroko nyoranga ki squad tubuate ndio ni isaine. Now that into gukubike bench,
you have more competitions.
Itogo koena na guchimuinaria ogenda okoreki onyore extra playing time, the same thing that you did with your player nani Rashford. Now he's coming back to Manchester.
Rashford was 20 what? Kerachi.
No kinkiko garo mogosori na on loan.
For the last 20, this was the first time Marco and Barcelona, the first time Marco Manchester United Kurueti. Imagine at 28 you
no now tuitumai gocha no mogosori tocha mogosori na Max Downman actually so far sayuse kurigeria nonya ratings chao se kurina na bakosori abange ba Manchester ina mba kunyara go fit ororo. So Arsenal go invest here on young talents, not that mbali go invest on them. It's only that omogosori buna bono yakwanera heaven inera bwe ko demanding aki I want to live because tabu ati time yo goraki time tiyo yo go chiesa nere nata gete konyora extra time but rinde bona abantu atagite kubishanaga nachi kunyarana nabantu buna babo Saliba babo Timba babo Gabriel Magalhaes na bubuche kurwaniriye namba ni ngumu to konyora time.
We have more competitions.
Talents in chororo we nkoba chire build up lakini bono konyoranga ki you need as an individual no tagete time yao na yokoreki o explore your talent but bono time tiyo you go extra mile, find a place where it's an opportunity here. He spotted an opportunity because defense yabo ya ranking ya. Akaraga ali na bongo genda ngoleki, na bongo genda nyole namba. And of which alienda na akapata namba. Yeah. So not that thing Arsenal they go invest on young talents.
Ama ite issue ne litara mention 5 na mata. You mention is Bukayo Saka bweka na ita Nwaneri okarobero. Kwa ri otire even no mani. Abumbata to. Tare kana mbata no nyo mention iri oyo mobwe ko ra se team. You go let's invest on young players. That is why we have more competitions. Chi competition ne chikabina chiabe fed these players mbara allowed ko sorry. Igo we need not konya ko release players. So tete ko invest ntoko genda chiro mono.
Tutaragenda so mutu mukonsechi dakikando che angebere to chakana semo ya Frank and of course tumanye go cha semo ya Maureen ase team ya Manchester United semo ya gone ya Arsenal na bwo ntochiko so asti team chinde new signings chia bwango chiria chia korekanire wetra se team ya Arsenal nchire chechi and of course akera baiga bagocha mbarabi bali na boigo babwatukirwe ase obwango tuchakene team ya Arsenal bakosere bayibali baretro na boigo bali babwatukirwe bagosoka.
I think this kuligereria kurwa se timu ya Arsenal so far sai abagosoli twa ndatebe nga Arsenal ya saindi nabagosoli bali ndatebe bari at a good standard nabagosoli batatu ngolenga ndakwanirabo uyo Bruno Guimaraes Piero Incapi na Christo Solis abunkolengana bwa bagoso. However Incapi nyoranga agachita on loan now that akaegu time akera good time nenda akaprove nga na deserve to remain on the team. That is why akaiwe contract officially. So I think abuna bwa bagosoli nkolenganda akwanira. However mbaro tubwate buno mo goalkeeper naro tubwata okurukunga Ilan Maslia. I think they are just 4. Ilan Maslia, Piero Incapi, Christo Solis na Bruno Guimaraes. Abuna bwa bagosoli nkolengasa no ya contract signing actually this season.
Manchester United.
I think contender tabekorwa se Manchester United so far tobwate chisigning enya tobwate chi midfielder ibere tukatwari goalkeeper yamo ne winger yamo abo ase tobwate player oyore midfielder koruku Andre Santos korwa se team ya Chelsea oyore midfielder tukagora umugosori koruku Yori Tielemans oyina twanya korwa se club kerigi Aston Villa nabo igonere ne midfielder tukanyoro umugosori kunga Karl Dalo korwa se team ya Leeds United oyore goalkeeper tukamekugora Tynan Thompson oyore winger korwa se team area ya Tottenham Hotspur na karakuri ya sabagosori aba igabo stone ariko batogo sign kero kurigereri chi amount chiri twanyareko batoko sign no monto bune goalkeeper oyo twamugorete ase a free transfer. Aston Villa tukanyora na 41M, alafu na kuru Chelsea tukanyora 48M Andri Santos iko sofa kero kurigereri nabo totumegete ase ange players aba igabonsi bana batumegete chibese cy'umuntu oyo mase team gete yuntate tigo dispute tigo dispute igo kero tokora signings this time tutete kwa very clever and be wise and toko sign banto buna kero ko yebna mogosori buna Alexander Isaac korwa seti mweria ya Liverpool bagorete 150 lakini there's no value at retra city mweria is the same nechi injari go chia orenge bya seti ya Newcastle liko let's focus on our signings ndorigeri player keria ganiri team mweyo go sekeria kore in the shortest while tuamutaka liko let's focus on our signings
aso bwenge otaragenda Chelsea record ni rega nkwaye kwanira kale labra aso bwenge okorana yabundire record abakosiri ambari abange sana
team ya Chelsea ankaithenga so far ndobwa ndikonya koba kwanira because noche yale kobanga lero mbabwa yale kobanga ngo chibari ko participate UCL kango bagolire kerege ntokerie go pumwa the same way bare ko la season kende yonzi kichaba kunga player gete kango nemba abo vosi nyabona bale go shine ase World Cup kango bono bare Chelsea iko bona kero kwanira Chelsea ase signings. There are those people who spend without minding. Mbabweka ini Arsenal umaite wikaba kesa. Makali umaite Arsenal.
If I go to tigarra ne
Arsenal have been running for the last 4 seasons. Arsenal have toured a very better season in that because position 2. Chibe saba konyora kero ko qualify for UCL chibe sanchoro kwa vanga go
lakini mbaga netiko chi spend
bona iko bona kinata abonya ndi Chelsea barenge UCL chibe sachiri chiabo wangetumia zote as a signing iko kero ko ria team ya Chelsea we are not worried dinga squad babwatenga kiengani because we know them nembo nonga nerige ntoke all that ni ile awana competitions mingi na rode batakire kwa tap online nga tupatie hiyo trophy tutawapea tu sisi wapeanga mapema lakini tunajua zishin iko most of the time team bune yo Chelsea wanalemewa na newly promoted team chirwete championship chabo Ipswich bona bachira chiko bachanda buna Sunderland ya batanda iko you never know asense mo hero ya signings parabu it's their norm
Frank dakika ya mataga ndo mutimoka
I think egindonda kwanere signings cha Chelsea actually Chelsea witume wazoea eba watanga their bosses awakwangi waoga kwa kutumia pesa but now chibesi jibabu chitumeka without matunda because it's could even from the previous season they still spent a lot kugoraba kwa solid but nande mbaba konye tirora paka bagakora na bachiti ku qualify even for the UCL igonga bono they're just participating tata benga na babara beba guchesa buna mani babeta baguchesa the other season one game in 1 month but still what one game in 1 month umakwenda go spend ubwati saya bakosoli 10 na the funny thing oligeria bakosoli Chelsea ko gorana bakaka bagot so far bate
omokosori oyo mo togo single out Danny Welbeck
bono Danny Welbeck nando iranira inyoranga Danny Welbeck has been rotating in Premier League clubs gocha Kurmaniu uko Arsenal uko eda usema Danny Welbeck has been around now however Danny Welbeck no mokosolium but now look at the age umungwano ni service ya matukari ngara ko kwaletira bakosoli babo aba muntu koleta bakumuntu bwate myaka 34 service ya how long ago chakwa na rabande bakote bali mutandao ngalikiringa the next signing our youth leader
Momo visa party leader tairu
so Chelsea is looking for our party leader Euroburu iko bono
lakini karota abagaka kero kolgereria abagosori abaga Chelsea abaga kosemba bere
bona abagaka
babere abande n'abasaye
abagaka babiri bono akero kolgereria a club like Chelsea na right walinge ukwanira ku invest on young players at times abagosori kero kwarorire age ya chira abange bahuchi bakodra career cyabo ku Saudi Pro League chiabo Arabic ndini leagues lakini bona konyora
kuna sala bona iko kwatiria simu moto meteko
so far mo gosoli kuna sala digiri lyo mo gosoli buna babo Messi ngaiba uchipanga iba kodra chini ni chiabo chi talent chap muina ali soko kwenda kuritayira lakini bona nandinga abantu ababwenete kwenda kuchali nandi bado nabukwira ni league se league is very competitive
na bere igo because kero kuri player koru asset tebe no EPL because the EPL is the tebe league nene manyeka
yeah very competitive
ne rebuate kiregento igo kero kuri kero players ba koru EPL bagenda se chitimwe chigachinde tebe na bachi semo ya Saudi ali ne chibe saba kwenda korosi bachire ninga buno rocho na salai timu asa ineti ngakyo kwa 5k pound for toilet papers
karakiri turaragenda sumuti mukase bono kora kuntira neto kwadira yanda mange emambia ya bora tianga turarasi umiri chiduka toskare ne TV yao
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Magega ya television ya Nsoko wikasero yao kwa nyori baga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia wokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyori baga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tolikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662 obulimira bw'essiro y'obunda bwense kulenge talinchira ndio sura krobulimi obiyoke enyoreri bagalya bene kwaegwa megelyo chisemi nobosemya igiri obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mache
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
gaya konyana eyisimegete nterangetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yoka maraba konya kuyana nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe tosemogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
Kiretse kuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere cyamurago ba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kuri asaberemi chini gongoro kwa pathway machine
asomoro bere boberemi nobotugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bwumugusi
mwancho muligereri Nensoko TV egeta sena mbeyemo aseliro baliagusi aiga no mugusi yakwa iguribaga na konyara kabaga gotegereru ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki mwancho muligereri Nensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyare ko batoko genda ase bali bali chinse mo chire isiko yagusi sichinse mabuna ichana kuru mwancho muligereri elitonyara kwa batoko wa omugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyara kwa koigwewa na nemo nontonyara kwa batoko so asichinse mu Childoret no mugusi ora asichinse mu Childoret nera nyara kwa koigwewa mwancho muligereri ntonyara kwa batoko genda asibali barasa masamba una chinse mu Chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale emuletie tonyara kwa batoko ireke gusioro no mugusi anyara kwa koigwewa asenchera enkeranu chinse mu Mombasa ntonyara kwa batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyare kwa gakuigwa asenchira enkerano aiga omwancho muligereria segeta seni ya Soko TV no gotuchi kwa bato gokora ege korugeito tonyare kwa bato gokora asenchira bwenerete mwancho muligereri aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino mwancho muligereri tonyare kwa bato gokorareria okorari kwa nyagosira asenchira bwenerete Soko TV oboroso bwumugusi
Mrna nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuruchitanya chinse Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga eke nakige kos kiamesa Yamangana Maya Ubugima n'urugendo rw'atamange amaya n'amabe. Umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera.
Nchekera na ibole twe unango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiko ke miaka sta ngachaka ngondifero po ngoira samagoro wani kamanya gutokanga na twali roba wana wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi eye Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Karibu nendo mwanchomo rigere chida ikange ikomiga chia tigere litokore murubiro yege mambia ya bono aso bwenge elitoira nase Wafcon asida ikachirichira chiko tigara edeka yeme mwega laftura ne Wafcon nigo tu abutolere nkwani to ase Mohamed Salah uyura se club kerikia Liverpool at the same time Rashford nero iranire impact ki ara chiko tuara at the same time abange ngora tebare kwa urase league ya England go Sela League and all that nigo kogenda kwara ibwa whereby Mohamed Salah wenyolere bona sege koro tekyo bona chirega enenchire ya moyoko mweba na boyiga impact ya Rashford bono kwirana nka nerelia season yenyera chigocha na chiko konya guse
kero toko chaka nemo toligereria amogosoria Rashford kwirana se squad ya Manchester United. Rashford for his entire life entire life because it's been a short while abeira se team ya Barcelona na kero kurigereri again tokia gereta kanyara kaba kurusukwa se team area ya Manchester United no mo kocha Ruben Amorim no gutaiwana kuri kerabatari kuigwana ikabidi akatetigara musokia kikurwa se team okobara obeire road obeira se team mpaka ororirenga neiga mwa nebona tetiko yekora mwae
enaro
yabeire naro bona tetiko control bintero bonyata meeting omuntu naro igore yayo mutenerete no nyochiro mageni igabona kera chietari at least a Milan vitu na kera roringa onyale kobaga replacement yawe gocha koro kwa chobina Barcelona bago sign Anton Gordon na nero namba bamba tiringe chiro Anton Gordon monto tai sanete Newcastle ba created deal immediately kera ba igote ngachiba sechiga paganje igo kero kurigeri mongo sign a player maybe umuntu agocha ko buno gotebi Ishmael mambi umuntu raro gocha gotokore Robin Koro igo na no bwante kuligelinga that team igentokero baro rime ya unga turi gochiko bakonya igo nera na ruchenga ribagalia ya se Barcelona ndi arengo itu short term deal igo bono kera iranira se team ya Manchester United okoba ya chi quality cha ebintu biri atagete umushahara yo weekly no by the way yo hold sana umushahara yo weekly yo 328 igo agatebi go ikyo umushahara ya kamwena bone gabidi atigara se team igo antoka getenga transition nechiko borana nebia se team ya Manchester United okoba wiranirenka nande ba wata east to west home is best igo iranirenka ngo cyari ko vibe na the players bari ariko sorry na barabu there before captain ya eno are Bruno Maguire no bare bonsi igo kero toro cha kuirana
lakini bona taraegwa na mberi se t-shirt ya kubeka teli ya renge litangani
wono maite bona iga na rocha ire jersey 14 igo kero kurigereri agani 9 iri go setenta ako yanyona igo kero go teba nga jersey 10 iga kunya bwate arusi amwe it's impossible era na achiete akayena na ribaga oyaga so akayegwe jersey igo it's impossible igo tika accept jersey area kwa one gatete ko participate one ga kuanga there's no room for him okoba muntu tayo gukweberere tukwando mugosoria Mo Salah ko ruase Premier League ndate bandake Mo Salah was affected na ogokukwa ye Diogo Jota because baringe close that close match ekero koba kero kurigeri a downfall ya enda because it's been a downfall. This is not the Salah to amanyire for the entire time. Igo Salah hasn't been good koru diogo chota nyalte koba diogo jota nyorta accident akanyarka ba osirio bugima bwae because he was that person baringe close na better affected most of the things they were doing together. So akaranga ase team ya Liverpool no nyanko nyara kwa nko kendra kwa beroro, the memories will hit me. Tingo nyara kwa comfortable go tikandige league ngao at least no nyachi memories chika chigo cha tintoka se club keri okaba kero kurigeri mbabu watachi drawings chichi koro kishibicha cha ekere ngento no nyachi dressing room mbiroro igo chiko mo affect that much iga karatika nyara kwa bagako genda and then kero kurigeri at the age and kero montage iniri twa uchibatenga a best dancer was a good dancer knows the best time to leave the stage. Igo naro chinga kichana chanyara kwa bachigo ikandua sense meiga ye Premier League nyande muinali na soko bacha chibesa ndo chibesa ko genda nkanyanda na kende gichire mobuko akoba kero ko yiri abantu omuntu akonyora kwa unga chigali sato na bwate chibesa chi allowances kete yani poka chibesa chi toilet papers ndatepe you tissue toilet papers tupuna tomato tissue 5k pounds kero kurigeria ino mushahara y'abantu no empata to imense ya Kenya gusebana so kero kurigeria muinarinde chibesa chite koros igo asense mere ya Salah I think nare biyo ko kero kurigeria most of the players kera shainiri kera ikire bona tete kuira nanse akurwa otete yanyande nkore muinari nko genda ndo chibesa nko genda yeah
arabade kera kiria tu kwa negro yugo kwa ise Lionel Messi by the way na Sergio Bugema kare ni miaka 68 of course no motienyo yega Sergio Obugima bwae
it's been under debenga no at that time kero World Cup egandata news ntia chetenga Lionel Messi ngobara affected maybe tatu mabona igweto because tatu mabona aringo morere chinga kecho
so concentration eri nyonenge ti chinga kichingo konyorana teyo bubuya
but under debenga he tried much koba ase timu yo ase nsema ya World Cup Argentina but Bona Uganda tebenga inaweza kuwa pigo but haitakuwa pigo kubwa kwake but losing a father always hits because a presence area enoga netio moro daily osomwa kere simi gosokwa nere for now you are not calling him toriko nyara gotwara any contact nere it's a hit go chia say Lionel Messi but at long last nere ame grow up tenga buneli kerota atakuro tiro mwana otarakiro tarika nene miaka 10 ebuneko mo hit but now he's learning like in this life you have your own life obwente kola nonyo mweburiga ku bora gusika ko ruaro igo nkwanira se nseme ya Lionel Messi because moso bona iga tare gochikoba affected because tari in a more competitive league because kero kuri team area MLS it's not very competitive the mbabu ati emende yonsi gose yo kwenda gukora kigose ya ko nyora promotion gose gukora kindi yonsi it's you win you are just there
okay
na konacha talents so that is the only thing that ebenga era bebeta ko bare ko babuna ne Premier League angekuwa ingem hit sana because nete to muntu abe competitive without any setbacks because he in a setback already
Franka asinginje chinsa ngogo tambo kitose paka kafu AFCON yo mwaka bwe chile fubira 2025 na rimo yo ekogosori wa imehense ya Morocco nigo tu asoira bono chi semi final lakini asobwango nigo tu bwate chi group yenye group entangani ya A ya bwate timu ya Morocco, Algeria, Senegal amona Kenya. Group B ya bwate Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, Tanzania na South Africa. Group area cha Zambia, Nigeria, Malawi amona Egypt. Ase group area D ya bwate Ghana, Cameroon, Cape Verde amo na Mali. Wikirabodi gani kwa tuwa soira se chi semifinali lakini timu ya Orokia ogo kwalikuwa ya senchira erembe mono ne timu ya Kenya ya ringa se group area A oinyore ase ya gosore ntangani yuko igora niko bakore tubobe abwo ase basoka basoka bare namba area ya Canada bakasoka mapema sana and of course no chiwo kwandira gabwa subwa gare wego no chiwo kwandira group area basi na D kurwabo ntochikwerelia Irene nere no Irene korende morin nera kwandire asensemo ya korende kwikira boniga ase AFCON yeiga ase ensemeria yabasubati ase omupira bwa magoro yoga utota na football Algeria Malawi nero ya soire asensemo area yechi semifinali alafu Morocco na Cameroon na barabwo basoirie ase semifinali igemereti na kurwa bono nigotorochi ase finali abuno twekere Frank Algeria Malawi Morocco Cameroon ne semifinali
I think ngento ndakwanire WAFCON ya mwaka uyu. I think we talked over it kero yo yari guchigucha ntu ayikwanirite na ntu akwanirite tukarana ni nchira chitimu ichi chibangire. However ntu abwate ogosemeri kwa rengi kuigoro nga etimu ya Harambee Starlets ne chiko tema gokori buya. But unfortunately it really disappointed some of us. Asenge chakero kanyora nga ogocheza chigemu inye kwa manya koruo wakire chonse pino ne golie ya matufungeti.
Bagasoka
batabwatie point no na yemo ne goli no nyena yemo. So it's really something that shocked many of us. Asenge ncho we used to seeing the result that tu amanyete from Ademba. That is not the result tu expected konyora for the Harambee Starlets team actually. But rende nabotoko ba congratulate so far for them to qualify up to that levels. And bono nowadays now rende ko bairanire let them go to the drawing board barodenga where the things ba begete in place maybe chita waketi bachi rectify, and then from there I think a team na vera akolibia. But so far they really disappointed many of us.
Morena ene timu ya Basubati na eno Musubati. What really happened?
Number one, I think preparation chira to kuchitwa tebanga to want to prepare our teams earlier before. Okoba kero kurigereria team yaito ya Harambee Starlets. I think before ba leave go seba park go kogenda go chia sema mirania iga are ko hosted in Morocco. Before batara agenda for preparations ngagetemba bwate breakfast meetup ne president. So that mambia bakole kibagende. Lakini kero okoliga linga after commit up ne president mambia ntu aroche bale asechiwa bise FKF barayire mpaka bechuale tense barayire sini chibastia batagete. Elinde bakole kibama kwenda kusolio nyambali kuchie kumbali kwenda. Igo this always comes maybe that ever becomes a setback. Kero konyoranga you are prepared to go and participate something somewhere and then tora akan besachia go chia previous. And then kwa itoka ngore chiganeti ne ine. Ino maetenga ni maete Ishmael no bwate 250 chiane. So you have to give me, I want it. Talinga negentunga ne deni ano bwate.
Alino no bonge birangere byago biratulie.
Talinga ba settled no nyenkwenda gukore ndekiga so that to please Ishmael, because nense bago chiko so they are not pleasing themselves. It's for the country. Yigobono nande Ishmael nayo ntenete bono kero ntete go please you have to pay me. Yigobono that's what happened that made them that ebenga setback ega cha number 1, and then number 2 kero korigeria se team yiga ya Harambee Starlets mosongwanire ase ensemo ya selection ya players nerona yanya to ko korite setback akego ko bakero korigeria players enterero Mildred chechenda tebe aringe gosata aringe more creative asokora ngeri players abe kero korigeria bakosolina na babo Gentrix Shikango bataya se squad baba Queen bataya se squad. We need to upgrade sometimes. Kero korigeria se qualification ne chikera ba qualified bakanyara ko bago place wa se group A baro chimpa kwa team na chiabo Morocco. So they were not chiabo sen ngombale ko laria maskio ale ko koraki ale ko rewind arangiri squad yenda ko baroli group ba bekiru no nyata atake ko rangiri banta be ko senye issue yende ale ngoro ale ko bara because these are the players to maita banyare ko baki banyare ko bago konye team kero kuri the likes of the babo Valerie Nekesa. There's again to kirito ko rokanga as a team mo bwante ko tware squad depth mo ko rely on someone continuously mo bwante ko change it so sometimes ya makoba better. Keron korigereria ase semi-finals nkagete team ya Morocco yo chikombera na Cameroon. For me that ebenga
Algeria Malawi
na Algeria Malawi. Nkaite final ra chikoba gati ya Algeria and Morocco na Morocco ba win because they have it the best, they've been the best. Yeah.
Okay, Frank ase ogo kolere mambia bono daika yetune ya moyo kabo igo noko bo mwinge chisekule chinke.
I think 90 final nda chikotanga Senegal na Morocco. Yani Senegal na Morocco achira chikumera na nchininge Morocco obonenenga obune chikobwa onobo buyo bonena ase amamerania ya WAFCON ase ngencho isikurigirira na ine timu y'abasacha ya Morocco yabere gakora bi actually kurwese rugongo rwa Africa. Lakini rende nonye nigo ntoko teba buna ntoba obubui mono kuragera bachikubwega kombe kasingenjo kire timu manyete nero nje bangete na ntwege ntotora
mupira ngo disappoint yoromete
chingakchi times na bira tokoete timu yame obubui te nyare kanebe buna kwarengereti.
Okay.
Ko mubago ta mpira udunda, let us just wait torore final injiri chigo ikorro, and then from there we will be able to know who are the winners.
Okay.
Tutara kora Ishmael, ni maite you are a Morocco fan. Say yes or no.
Sana.
Ni maite na
kiba
kero kurigeri asense moya basubati be team ya Morocco. They played well. Baitomire and ndapese ko tanga no imbombe koyo ali no imbombe koyo ko bakero kolgeri bot na nabasacha babetera bako chesa sorry, it's very well igo ntubu na Kenya we need to look for a way to want to invest as a football that
was talking the benchmarking
go say benchmarking, we need to do something to korara maskiga. We go to AFCON, we qualify to and then to score even a single goal, we lose all the games, we come back and then
life continues ina kagana kene keo gyakorekana.
No, that's not good at all.
When we are just noina keroto kukwanira mangana noina ya friendlies chitimbu bune china chitubwenderete koreta in place tuchiesa na chirocho
kabisa
tumaikola na few things inga kibaho kore bintu byabo ikobono na lieko nyora to kugro talieko nyoranga mo go invite friendlies ne chitimu chika kare go say number 190 ga ali on FIFA rankings.
Okay.
Kero ayetoli muya kwa na kwenda kwa leto muruire kabisa na ruta yetu waka na rekuegeji tunono like aileti nini trikoleta majibu
karabwa terabo ase elia lero enkwane yega boigo no yenyorekera litukuria Jumatatu ase ayabwatikene ne chiko so rigona ndi kuikana ande eikiende kore litukuria Jumamosi omwaga mumeranera ase omururu wechiko sori na banyangonga ase bona abuno tuwikira omwerio tutakwanira na baranyore libaga ase eikieyega na ase omururu Jumamosi go seri tukoria Jumatatu endera kubati emerobere ende atigera seri tukoligima wekeria nkyo chinsenyi weke isano nemo ase omururu oyego betro bineriane Ishmael Mogere nigo nari ngamo na Maureen amo na Frank Asensemo yende.
Soko TV, Uboroso Bubusi.